We'll go over two problems step by step, so let's get started. When you divide fractions, you flip the second fraction and change the sign to multiplication. So let me show you how to do that. So our first problem on the board is 3 over 4 divided by 2 over 5. Our first step is going to be to rewrite our problem. So we're going to have 3 over 4. Then you're going to switch the number for the second number. So you're going to have 5 on the top and then 2 on the bottom. Okay, and then our next step is to multiply your numerator, which is your top number, and then multiply your bottom number, which is your denominator. So 3 times 5 is 15, and then 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, so our answer is 15 over 8. But notice that this is an improper fraction because the top number is larger than the bottom number. So in this case, what we do is we convert it to a mixed number. And how do you do that? Is you figure out how many times can the 8 go into the 15. So we know that it can go into it one time. So you have a one whole number, and what's left from the 15 is 7. So 15 minus 8 is 7. And then your bottom number or your denominator is 8. So the answer to our first problem is 1/7/8. Okay, so let's move on to our second problem. I'm going to go ahead and erase this problem. All right, our second problem is 7 over 9 divided by 1 over 3. Again, our first step is to rewrite our problem. So we're going to have 7 over 9. We're going to change the sign from division to multiplication. And we're going to switch the second number. So the 3 goes on the top and 1 goes on the bottom. So now our second step is to just multiply across. Multiply the numerator first, which is your top number. 7 times 3 equals to 21. And then your bottom number, which is your denominator, 9 times 1 is 9. So in this case, we can actually simplify this number even further because we know that you can divide 21 by 3 and 9 by 3. They have a common factor. Okay, so 21 divided by 3 is 7. And then 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay, so now we're left with the improper fraction. So we have to convert it even further to a mixed number. So how many times can a 3 go into the 7? I'm going to go ahead and write it on the bottom. So we know that 3 can go into 7 2 times. So you're going to have a 2 whole number. And then what's left from the 7, so 2 times 3 is 6. So if you subtract the 6 from the 7, we have 1 left over from the 7. And then your denominator, which is your bottom number, is going to be 3. So our answer to our second problem is 2/1/3. If it was helpful to you, please press the like button and subscribe for more math videos.